So Calum, we actually had to clean something dirty today, didn't we?
We did for the first time at GRASSMEN, which was not what we're used to doing.
No, just normally up to the tyre slicking, aren't we?
Aye. I think we've done enough tyre dressing videos now, I think.
Well, yeah. Well, this is actually the most exciting thing I've ever seen in the sand now.
Oh, aye.
Yeah, without a doubt.
Well, listen, I have all this equipment that you've got in the stand. This was definitely one that all the questions were getting asked about.
Yeah.
We'll just maybe not say that to Gareth.
Yeah, I'll not tell him that. 'Cause
No.
it's also the cheapest thing in the stand.
I know.
Yeah.
know. But it was fully prepped to Autoperfekt.
Yeah, was, yeah. We used every single, well, not every single one of your products.
No, but pretty much.
Pretty much, not far off it.
No, not far off it.
Sure.
Are you happy with the result?
Look at it. It's shining like.
Hey, listen, as long as you're happy, I'm happy.
It's unreal, no, in fairness.
But no, I'm just glad that we got to clean something that actually had a bit of dirt on it. We got to use fallout remover, got to do some decontamination work. I'm not a big fan of your bucket and no.
See, we didn't have the best conditions but we worked with it anyway.
We did. We tried to make a homemade snow foam cannon, which didn't work either.
No, it didn't quite work.
But it's, listen, we've cleaned it in the middle of a showground while it's on a
trailer. Like.
Aye, and cleaned the trailer at the same time. So
yeah. Don't worry, Deere, your trailer's clean as well.
But no, it's came out well. But it just does show you, even though it is an older car, how good the Autoperfekt product and how easy they are to use.
Yeah.
Obviously the quick details left that shine on. You were terrified that you were going to end up with loads of watermarks.
Yeah.
And we've shown you that even in the piss and rain, or you can
get
it all.
Your detailer, it's not just for detailing, like
No.
You can use it as a rinse aid and stuff.
Yeah.
The first thing I was thinking about was whenever I came down here, have I got a drying towel to clean the car, because it'll only look terrible whenever it's done.
Yeah.
See, I'm only a bit of a part-time detailer now.
And see, the thing is,
a Sunday detailer, should we say?
A Sunday dry detailer.
Yeah.
And see, because you've used the quick detailer, you also have used previously, which you've seen coming back alive, the ceramic range that you used. So the car was beaten anyway. But now, all these bits of equipment that are on the other stands that haven't had the pleasure of using the Autoperfekt stuff, they're going to wake up in the morning with terrible water spots, so we're not going to have that problem.
Yeah,
so.
well, the water's just going to be sitting on the top of this car now.
Yeah, that'll be lovely. Where can they get the Autoperfekt products, do you know?
They can get them from GRASSMEN.com.
And here at the ploughing?
And here at the ploughing, so... Well, thank you for cleaning my car now.
Not a problem. Is Gareth paying the invoice, or?
Gareth, he'll pay the invoice.
Is he paying the invoice? I think I own pizza money.
Oh no, he won't.
I'm going to own pizza money by the end of this week anyway, so I think it'll balance itself out.
Yeah,
so.
all worth it in the end.
I know. I'm fully booked till February, and you managed to get me to clean your car, so there you go.
I'm chuffed for that now.
Good man.
Good man. Cheers.